Don't worry, you don't need to rearrange the classroom furniture and you won't need any special equipment. These are simple stretches that you can do from your desk. Hi everyone, I'm Amrita from My Progression, and today I'm sharing a few quick stretches you can do to get energized, whether it's at the start of the day, an afternoon pick-me-up, or to help you unwind after a long day in the classroom. Here at My Progression, we're all about providing you with the support for your role, whether it's educational knowledge or teaching skills. Every now and again, we like to do something a little bit different, as supporting your mental health and well-being is just as important. Regardless of your role, it's fair to say that your days are busy. This video will help you fit desk yoga into your daily routine. As educators, we always focus on the well-being of our pupils. However, it's essential that you also make time for yourself. Remember, when it comes to yoga, only do what feels right for you. If anything causes discomfort, please stop and listen to your body. Throughout every stretch, keep your breathing slow, deep, and steady. It's one of the most powerful tools we have. When we breathe deeply, we send a signal to the brain to relax. That means your muscles release tension and your heart rate slows and your mind becomes calmer. Something you can do even in the middle of a busy school day. So let's get started. Firstly, neck and shoulder stretch. Okay, so let's focus on our neck and shoulders. Sit tall with your feet on the floor. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder and then roll your chin to your chest and then over to the other side, like so. This is brilliant for loosening the neck, especially after a long day of marking test papers. Next, we're going to do seated side stretch. So lift your left arm up and reach over to the right side. You should feel the stretch down your side. This opens up your ribs, helps you breathe deeper, and feels amazing after hours of you being hunched over your desk. And then swap sides, reaching over to the right side now, and keep remembering to breathe. Next is seated twist. This one's for when you've been stuck in the same seat since 3 p.m, marking your books and planning lessons. So we're going to place our right hand on the back of the chair and our left hand on our thigh, sitting tall and then twisting gently to look over your shoulder, like so. Then we're going to come back to the center and switch sides for a count of 5. This stretch is great for untwisting your spine and waking up your back. Next is wrist and forearm stretch. Whiteboard writing and typing endless emails means your wrists are most likely tight and need stretching out. So, first you're going to put your left arm out with your palm facing upwards. Gently pull your fingers down and back, and you should feel a stretch going down your wrist and your forearm, like so. And now we're going to switch sides and hold for a count of 5. Next is wrist rotation. This keeps your wrists in motion, reducing the risks of repetitive strain injury and carpal tunnel, which is pressure on a nerve in your wrist. It can cause tingling, numbness, and pain in your hands and fingers. So how do you do wrist rotations? First, we're going to place our hands in front of us and make a fist. And then we'll rotate the wrists in a circular motion for 10 counts and then repeat in the other direction, like so. And then the other way. Next is ankle rotation. So sit tall with both feet flat on the floor. Lift your left foot slightly off the ground and slowly rotate your ankle 10 times. Now switch feet to your right foot and repeat. These are great exercises to do during the day to prevent stiffness from sitting for long periods and improve your circulation. Now, I hope this mini yoga session has really helped center you and made you feel refreshed. Why not share this with your class? This kind of exercise is great when welcoming them back from lunch or to give them a boost during exam season. And if you've enjoyed our video on desk yoga, check out the rest of our channel for all things education. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've enjoyed watching something a bit different, comment more down below and we can keep surprising you with different types of videos and content. I've been Amrita from My Progression. Let's keep your career and body in motion.